Good morning guys, magluluto tayo ng ampalaya with egg, bawang, sibuyas, kamatis. Ayan guys, isa muna natin yung ingredients. Ayan guys, ilagay na natin yung ampalaya. Ayan guys, malapit na maluto yung ampalaya with egg. Ilagay na natin yung egg, itlog guys. Ayan, sarap yan, ampalaya with egg. Kaya na guys, luto na yung ampalaya with egg. Ayan guys, yum yum yum, ping ping ping. Thank you for watching.